channel. I hope you're all doing really well today. So as you can see from the title, we're decorating for spring, but first we have lots of cleaning to get done before I can start decorating. So I'm going to start off in the kitchen and then moving through into the living room, but I'm not going to be doing too much decorating. I don't want it to feel cluttered and overwhelming. I'm just going to be adding pops of pink and blue here and there, so I really hope that you enjoy it. Don't forget to leave it a thumbs up if you do, and also subscribe using the red subscribe button down below, and let's just jump straight into it.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I look at you, I know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I don't need another love. Yeah. We do this every day. We do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I wanna hear you say that you only want me. That you only want me. Some kind of magic, you came into my life, and with that bedhead, you give me falling twice. Yeah, you're an angel and always on my mind. I wanna love you like I do on my own. Yeah, this is what it's about when it's just you and I, and the stars in the sky, and the hum of the motor. It's so much better off alone. If I could live all my life tonight, we're loving on the road. I wouldn't die, 'cause there's nothing I want more. I wanna stay by your side, yeah. Never gonna let you go. Tell me I'm the one you're thinking of. I wanna hear you say that you only want me. That you only want me. Don't need to tell you, you see it in my eyes. I wanna travel, let's drive into the sunrise. Where your heart is where I wanna lie. Just wanna love you like I do on
Ignore the washing machine in the background, it's always so loud, it's such a nightmare. But I've just sort of laid everything out on the sofa that I'm going to be using in this room. I think I'm going to be taking down that pampas and the wooden candlesticks because they're very sort of autumny, and I want to swap those candlesticks out for these ones. I got these ones from IKEA a few years ago, so I'm definitely mixing the old with the new because I've had this for years, and I think all of that for years. Even though I think this would have gone better for my Easter decorating, I still think bunnies in spring are cute, so I'm still going to be using that for my spring decorating. I did get a new cushion the other day. I really like this one. It's like a greeny, kind of like a greeny blue colour. I don't know, really like it. And then I got some blue flowers from Temu, and then those I've had for a while now. So yeah, I'm definitely mixing in some old and new bits. This I think is my favourite candle of all time, mango and tangerine. I got it, if it'll focus, it probably won't, but I got it from TK Maxx a few weeks ago, and I've been dying to use it. So really glad that I'm decorating today. And yeah, I'm going to start off with these shelves, and then we can swing around here, do these. I think that's going to stay the same. I don't know why, but I really like the look of just flowers on top of a white book. I think it's simple and nice. So yeah, that can stay. That's going to come out because again, I think it's a little bit too dark, and I'm just going to sort of play around with it. And then I'm also going to be doing the radiator cover as well. So yeah, let's just start on these shelves and see how we go.
It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here.
This is the final look, and I really love how it all turned out. Like I said, I do want it to stay kind of subtle but then just brighter for spring summer, and I think this is perfect. I'm not really sure if that throw is going to stay there or if I'm going to end up putting it over here or not. I'm not sure, but yeah, I really like how light and easy breezy like the shelves turned out. I just put some of my olive branches in there with the bunny. I really love that blue at the moment. I think that was my favourite colour. And yeah, I just think that looks so nice with the spring cushion over there. And then round here, I've just sort of draped out that blue blanket just to bring in the blue. Again, I've added some more to that little home sign to tie in with the blue there. And then around here, I've added lots of touches of pink because obviously I still love pink. And yeah, I just think it looks so much better now. It's just brighter and airy, ready for spring, summer. Then I did add a few different touches in the kitchen. I actually wasn't going to ignore the washing up that I've created during filming, but I just added this little tea light holder. I've had this for years and I got it originally for a coffee table, but obviously now we've got rid of our coffee table. Don't really know where it's going to go, so I'm just going to keep it in the corner of the kitchen to add a little bit of colour. And then added some more of this blue flowers to my little crock pot. Added in a different candle because obviously I wanted to brighten up the space, and then changed out the cups as well just to give it a pop of colour. And this is definitely my favourite spring cup, so I wanted that on show with the little bunny. And yeah, it's nice and simple, but I think it does make a really big difference. So yeah, I really like it. Brings us to the end of today's video. I really hope that you've enjoyed it. I hope it's given you some simple, subtle spring decor ideas for your homes as well. If it did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already with the subscribe button down below so you don't miss all of my other spring cleaning and just spring content here on this channel. And I'll see you guys back here in my next one. Bye guys.